Hi everyone, in today's video we'll learn about rotate command. The shortcut key of rotate command is RO enter. Before I input the shortcut key, I'll be needing one or the two objects on screen. So with the help of previously taught command, I'll make any of the objects, so I'll make with the help of rectangle. Now I want to rotate this on some specific angle. So with the same, I'll use rotate command, shortcut key RO enter. I'll select the object, just press enter. Pick a base point from wherever you want to pick the object. Let's say I'll pick from center. Now it is completely optional to press F8, that is ortho mode on or off. I'll off it for a while. And you can see right now I have not input any of the other angle to rotate the same. I'm just simply rotating it with the help of mouse. And there states an option to specify an angle. So you can press any angle. I'll specify 45 degree. Enter. So this shape is rotated at 45 degree. By using the same method, you can use any object at any desired angle or location. This is how we use rotate command.